What is up, my fellow YouTube patrons? All right, I'm so glad you got a chance to stop back by. That's right, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification so you're all aware of all my videos and anything that I'm uploading upcoming here in the future. And as always, guys, drop those comments. They're definitely welcome. It's helping support my channel, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of my fans out there in YouTube land. So that's right, the title says how to install a power steering pump in your F-Series truck here. So that's what we'll be doing today. So stick around and look no further. Let's get this bad boy installed. All right, guys, so this installation here, as far as the removal and install of the power steering pump here on these motors, are very simple. If you do have the right tools and are somewhat inclined, you can probably get this done, I'd say, in a half hour or less. Off camera, I did go ahead and remove the old pulley off the old power steering pump and install it on this one. So it's going to freshen it up a bit and make the video a little bit quicker. And I'll go ahead and show you what's needed here to get this bad boy installed. All right, tabletop view here on Blue. So this is the new pump here. This is the tension plate and the old pulley. So I went ahead and had this done off camera. Got that installed. It didn't take much time, maybe 5 minutes, but you need the puller pusher tool. Harbor Freight has it, or you can rent it at your local parts store. But these 3 top bolts here hold it on the top mounting plate here. And this goes in through here, which I'll show you momentarily. That actually tightens up the belt. So first, what you want to do here is go ahead and just remove your cap. That just keeps any type of debris or contaminants get inside there. Go ahead and put in your new stick there, lock it in, it's good to go. It already comes plugged. Again, it's to keep debris out. So if it's not hand loosened, just grab a straight screwdriver and get that removed. And I'll leave it on here until we get this on the low pressure side. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy on. 4 bolts, or 4 nuts here, the 1/2-inch nuts. So you want to pull all the tension off and go ahead and install this high pressure hose. The low pressure or the return. Go ahead and just top it off according to. All right, guys, so we are ready to go ahead and give this a sample here. Ready for it? Watch this. 1 finger. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Hey guys, so again, thanks for sticking with me through this video and checking how Operation RV installs the power steering pump here in good old Blue.